Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video we will learn what to do if your iPhone and iPad keyboard switch automatically from alphabetic mode to numeric mode. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, turn off slide to type. For that, first we have to go to settings. Then we have to tap on Journal and tap on Keyboard. Here we have to turn off slide to type. The second thing that we have to do, select haptic touch from fast to slow. For that, first we have to go to settings. Then tap accessibility. Here we have to tap on touch. Now tap haptic touch and under touch duration, select slow. Third thing that we have to do, go back to settings and tap journal. Under journal we have to tap on reset or transfer iPhone and tap reset. Now tap reset keyboard dictionary. Put iPhone passcode and tap again reset dictionary to confirm. If none of these is working, then do the same procedure. Go back to settings, journal, transfer reset iPhone and tap reset. Now tap reset all settings. iPhone passcode required and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. In the end, connect to Wi-Fi, go to App Store and download Gboard from App Store and use that keyboard. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.